Look at the sentences we studied. The verbs or actions are me llamo, vivo, trabajo. Now we know that in any phrase usually there is a subject like I, you, he, she, and a verb. In Spanish, these are yo, tú, él, ella. In these sentences, I'm talking about myself, so the subject is yo. In Spanish, we need to add an ending to the verb to indicate who is the subject of the action. Look at the verbs again. What is the ending that indicates that I'm talking about myself? As you can see, all these verbs end in O. Me llamo Nuria, I'm called Nuria, or my name is Nuria. Vivo en Estambul, I live in Istanbul. Trabajo en una universidad, I work in a university. So when we talk about ourselves in the present tense, we use the ending O, which is the equivalent of yo or I in English. As you can see, I left the subject yo in brackets because in Spanish we don't need to use the subject pronouns yo, tú, él, etc. to indicate who is the person doing the action. Now, there is an irregular verb in Spanish called ser, which in English means to be. Now, to say I am, we say soy. We don't use the ending O as we do with the regular verbs. Soy española, I'm Spanish. Soy profesor, I'm a teacher.